Hi team, can you briefly explain the types of tasks you perform for your client on a weekly basis?
For our client, the first task that we do is compiling of documents as they arrive in our client's emails.
And what I'm doing is actually mostly bank reconciliation. So I'm using Xero as a system.
On a weekly basis, what I do is I collect and collate data for our clients.
I work for a bookkeeping firm, so I do the bookkeeping tasks such as reconciling bank statements in Xero, then entering the supplier invoices, creating sales invoices.
I record the transactions, reconcile them, and make sure that the super funds are complies with Australian taxation rules and regulations.
I make sure that their clients get to contact us or them.
I'm calling superannuation companies, insurance companies, and banks just to follow up first for the finance for the home loan application for mortgage.
Admin tasks like preparing reports, documents, and compliance audits for the advisors.
I do format manuals, reports, and or business documents such as memorandum of information and letter of engagement.
We're financial, so we do fact finding. So we file that up, the questionnaires, all the IDs for her clients as well.
We also update client files in Mercury according to those documents that we receive.
And on a monthly basis, I'm preparing the installment activity statement, which is just a report or a statement submitted to the APO.
I also generate renewal reports and review letters for existing clients.
Do the review of GST accounts and keeping the bank accounts up to date.
My clients are very old-fashioned. They wouldn't really care about social media, but nowadays, since we know that social media does a lot for businesses, I do that for them to help them out.
Providing technical and admin support to his advisors and brokers.
I also do format financial statements through converting them from PDF files to Excel spreadsheets.
I make sure that we book her clients just in time with her schedule.
Sometimes we are also tasked to fill out discharge forms, for example, lender application forms so that they're ready for client signature.
And on a quarterly basis, I do prepare the business activity statement for the client.
I do suspense report, which involves contacting insurers for the existing clients about their policy status.
I also do coordinate with the developer in the production and development of the apps and software that the advisors use.
And if ever there are outstanding documents, we are the ones who prepare drafts so that they're ready to send out as soon as our client says yes.
She also gives me the chance to do general advices and do documents for her, so